Toronto bankers, quants, venture capital, and investment. If you haven't noticed, our economy, which is based on a physics supply-demand, is evolving into something else. I'm learning daily that the future is one that may be based on a more shared economy. And according to some pretty influential economists, the math works. So, are we moving forward? I think so, but perhaps we need to move faster. I have to say that recently understanding that more efficient machines and a dedicated workforce isn't the model. Personally, as an individual who works as a sanitation operator, this is a very eye-opening experience for me. And it begs the question, what am I doing this for? And for what purpose? And is the actual model currently helping or hurting me and other Canadians like me? The law of economics are showing us the current issues at hand are a result of our consumerism oil-based economy. It's not a coincidence that oil gave us the ability to build houses and consumer household debt became the way we did it. And it almost derailed us in 2008. The next question then is, how is society going to deal with its future? Will we actually want to have consumer debt in the equation? Is there even room for it? The fact that we are able to build it in the past, does this mean we will want or even need to build it in the future? One thing I do believe, though, is that investment leverage to create economic infrastructure is needed in a new shared economy. And the fact that it's based on a more efficient energy is why we believe it will work. But here's the thing. Consumerism, as we know it, will also change as we build economies that share. How we do it is not up to me and you as much as it is up to us and how we collectively decide to move. So, if you're interested in a discussion and debate, I'm making myself available and I'm looking for others who are interested in discussing the same and would like to invite you to a group I'm now organizing, as I mentioned, called Toronto Bankers, Quants, Venture Capital, and Investment. Feel free to send me an email if you're interested in joining this meetup group. The goal of this group is to start to talk about the new shared economy. And I'd like to engage in conversations with certified financial planners, robo-financial planners, financial advisors, anyone who's managing assets for consumer retail investors. And I'd also like to talk with others who have interest and expertise in the financial modeling world. You see, in a shared economy, if the goal for us is to build wealth for the consumer retail investor, and the current model of supply and demand needs an overhaul, don't you think the financial planning model will too? Hope you'll join in on this conversation. Thanks. All the best. Will Prinzen, founder, Security.